all around me. Lost in the universe, I can't get over. You left me in the dark, like where's my girl? You're over this.
Morning, what's going on guys? It's 7:30 in the morning. I just woke up. I just dropped that phone, but yeah, I thought I'd start off the day with a little bit of research on the stock market. And obviously nowadays I'm multitasking. It's not just trading that I do, it's the business side of things. So I have a lot on my plate, guys. So I have to wake up early nowadays to kind of get everything in place. And then when the day, matter of fact, after this I'm just gonna go to the gym downstairs, and after I come back I'm gonna go for a nap, and I'll wake up when the stock market opens, and then from there on I will pick it up to go work with these guys that I'm training nowadays, this company. But yeah, that's the day so far. We woke up early, we're checking a few things, catalysts, we're looking at the stock market to see what stocks to trade. Most of you know what kind of stocks I trade anyway. The stock market doesn't open for another 10 hours because most of the people are asleep, and I'm in this other side of the world right now. But we should be, I guess, consistent today. We should be on top of things because we woke up early. Now I don't wake up every day like this. This is just a one-time thing because I feel like I have to wake up today early. Matter of fact, I didn't really sleep today. So I thought I'd wake up early, do a bit of work. Then when I come back, I'd go back to sleep. Or maybe I'll go gym after I wake up. Or maybe now. We'll see how lazy I am. I don't know. I have a lot on my plate right now. But that is the entrepreneurial lifestyle, guys. It's not as lavish as you might, think. It's somewhat lavish in a way. It's not really hard work. It's not really stressful. When you're on top of work, everything becomes easy, and that's why you have to be on top of your business every single day, every single hour. So it's not really hard work, but make sure to have time for socializing and whatnot, and you'll see what I'll be doing later on today. But yeah, let's continue with this vlog, guys. But first thing first, check the stock market, see what's going on in the stock market, then answer some emails, reply to some emails. Some of you guys would, message me and whatnot. Most of the time I would reply to those emails, other times I don't, depending on the busyness of my other businesses, so I have to run those other businesses, guys. But yeah, it's so far so good. And we're also shooting a video halfway through. So yeah, we're answering emails and we're shooting a video. So productivity is on point today, guys. So yeah, hopefully you get as productive as me when you watch this video. But yeah, let's go enjoy the day and let's go have a productive and a blessed day together. Alright guys, it's gym time. Gotta get the body worked out. When we left it was dark, now it's actually lit. But we're gonna have a shower now. We're gonna go watch a TV series called, or Netflix, and then go to bed. Cause I didn't sleep, like I said, I had so many things on my mind, so I'll be sleeping there. I have so many things on my mind, so I woke up early, and that's exactly why I woke up early. I don't do this every day, waking up early. No, I don't. It's just when I have so much to do, I do the things that I want to do, and then go back to sleep. And sometimes I sleep good, other times I don't, because there's so many things on my mind. Now that's not the healthy part of entrepreneurship. You shouldn't let your business control you. Control your business. But now we controlled it, that's why I woke up early, so now I'll go watch some TV, sleep, wake up, and enjoy my day. Maybe we'll go shoot some pigeons, whatever it is that we do. But yeah, the thing that entrepreneurship has done for me, guys, it put me on the correct path, right? It put me on the correct path. I'm not steering left or right, no, I'm steering straight. You don't steer when you're going straight, right? It's just straight line. You know what to do with life. And it keeps you out of trouble. It honestly helps you become a better person because you know what you want out of life at this stage. And that's what I need you to do if you really want to do these, get into entrepreneurship and become an entrepreneur, self-employed, and work for yourself and become successful. Focus on one thing, commit to that thing, and you'll see the change in life, because you've never committed to anything in life and you need to commit. It's about time you start committing to things. When was the last time you committed to something? Something that you committed and it actually was part of your life now. When was the last time that happened? It hasn't happened, right? So it's time to commit to something and you'll see the change. The bad habits that you have, you'll get rid of them. Life changes, everything else changes, you'll become a better person, and your financials change. The way you view life, the way you view things change, everything else becomes, I guess, it's a clear vision. It's going to be a clear vision for you guys. So
yet now the stock market is about to open, so I'm going to do a bit of analysis even further, answer some emails. After that, I make my trades and I have to go do what I'm here for, basically train those guys that I talk about every few minutes in my videos. So the reason why I'm here is for work, and yeah, that's part of my business also, you can say. Because nowadays, when you figure something out and you become good at something, you know, it's like doors start opening up for you, and you start getting all these offers and whatnot. That's why I say, guys, first thing you have to do is put your head down, educate yourself, educate yourself, educate. If I had one thing that I would give you right now, any advice, put the head down, educate yourself on a topic, become an expert at it, and you'll notice doors will start opening, right? The doors of freedom and financial freedom and opportunities and businesses will start opening up for you. But yeah, I'm actually not gonna sit there. I'm gonna do some work here, right where the bed is. So we'll keep you updated with life, guys. I do have to put some work in. You can see my fat head in the mirror. So yeah, we're gonna edit this video. Hopefully it comes out good. I know you're not used to these kind of videos on my channel, but I don't live like this every day, and that's okay. I don't want to live like this every day. I'd like to stay humble. This thing doesn't make me happy, but it kind of makes me happy, right? Because we get to shoot nice videos. But yeah, I'm here for a few weeks, and the work here is almost done, really, because these guys are learning fast. This is gonna be my office for the next few. After that, I'd probably go get a shower. Right next to me there's a little bathtub. You've probably seen it. I just have to show you every time. But yeah, we'll get a shower because I feel smelly at the moment. So it was a productive day. We went to the gym, had breakfast, went to back to bed, because obviously I wake up early nowadays. Well, not nowadays, but just when I have a lot going on. And then we went back to sleep. But like I said, we went and got some lunch. Now we're back. We're gonna do some stock trading. When I finish, I have to go to another business, which is basically me training these guys. When I come back, I'm on the laptop once again, and that cycle continues.
Pull.
Just under it.
Pull.